Today, we're diving into the world of digital fun with a classic board game twist. Let's learn how to play Ludo on Facebook. It's super easy and a great way to connect with friends. Let's get started. First things first, let's open your Messenger app. Open a chat with a friend that you want to play with. Now tap on the plus icon in the bottom left corner and choose to play games. Find Ludo and start playing. But if you don't see it, don't worry. We've got you covered. If Ludo isn't available on Messenger, we can try finding it on Facebook. Open your Facebook app and head to the search bar at the top. Type in Ludo and hit enter. You should see a list of results. Look for a Ludo game that has a lot of reviews and players. Once you've found the Ludo game you want to play, click on it. The game will likely load, and you'll see options to start a new game, invite friends, or join existing games. And that's it! You now know how to play Ludo on Messenger or Facebook. It's a fantastic way to spend time with friends and challenge them to a friendly match. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun tutorials.